Hello and welcome to Easy Cash. If you're looking to boost your income or even transition into a full-time freelancing career, this video is perfect for you. Today, we'll dive into the world of freelancing. What it is, the types of jobs you can do, how to get started, and some essential tips to succeed. Let's jump right in. Freelancing means working independently for various clients rather than being employed by a single company. As a freelancer, you have the freedom to choose your projects, set your own rates, and work on your own schedule. This flexibility is one of the biggest reasons why many people turn to freelancing for extra income or even as their main source of livelihood. There are countless freelance opportunities out there, but let's talk about some of the most popular ones. Writing and editing. If you have a talent for words, you can get paid to write articles, blog posts, copywriting, technical documentation, or even fiction. Editors are also in high demand to polish and improve written content. Graphic design. Graphic designers can create logos, website layouts, marketing materials, social media graphics, and more. This field is great for those with a creative eye and knowledge of design software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Web development. This includes building and maintaining websites, from front-end development, which focuses on the look and feel of a site, to back-end development, which deals with the functionality. Web developers have a lot of opportunities to make money. Digital marketing. Freelancers in this field help businesses grow their online presence through SEO, content marketing, social media management, email marketing, and PPC advertising. If you're skilled in driving traffic and sales, this could be a lucrative option. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants handle administrative tasks for clients remotely. This could include managing emails, scheduling appointments, data entry, or customer service. It's a great entry-level freelancing job. Consulting. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can offer your services as a consultant. This could range from business consulting and financial advising to health and wellness coaching. Starting your freelance journey might seem daunting, but it's quite manageable if you follow these steps. Identify your skills. First, figure out what skills you have that are marketable. Think about your hobbies, past job experiences, and what you're passionate about. Create a portfolio. A portfolio showcases your skills and past work to potential clients. Even if you're just starting, you can create sample projects to show what you're capable of. Choose a freelance platform. There are many platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com where you can create a profile and start bidding on projects. These platforms can help you get your first few clients. Set your rates. Research what other freelancers in your field are charging and set competitive rates. Don't undervalue your work, but also be mindful of what clients are willing to pay. Network. Networking is key in freelancing. Join online communities, attend webinars, and connect with other freelancers. Sometimes jobs come through recommendations from people you know. Market yourself. Use social media to promote your services. You can also create a personal website to attract clients and showcase your work. Here are some tips to help you succeed in your freelancing career. Stay organized. Use tools like calendars, project management software, and to-do lists to keep track of deadlines and manage your workload efficiently. Communicate clearly. Good communication is key to maintaining a good relationship with your clients. Make sure to understand their needs and provide regular updates. Be professional. Treat your freelance work as a business. Be punctual, reliable, and deliver high-quality work. Your reputation is everything in freelancing. Keep learning. The freelance market is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends and continuously improve your skills to stay competitive. Diversify your income. Don't rely on a single client or project for all your income. Try to have multiple sources of revenue to ensure financial stability. Freelancing offers an incredible opportunity to make extra income or even build a full-time career on your own terms. It may take some time to build up a steady stream of clients, but with persistence and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals. So, why not start today? Thanks for watching Easy Cash, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money.